and queens, what a one!
Wagwan kings and queens, happy Wednesday to you.
How you guys doing? Happy Wednesday.
Hope everybody's had a blessed week.
Yes.
We know it's been a minute since we've been on, but you know.
We're here to visit.
We are.
We're here to see y'all.
Just came to hang out with you guys for a while.
Just for a minute,
Hello.
Hola. Hola. Yeah.
We're doing good. We are good.
We're good.
Thank you for asking.
Thank you for asking, Deanna McLean. We're good. Gay on. Miss
CC,
Nationa. Janice.
Janice.
Yep.
Anicia. Good evening.
Good evening. What's going on in? Eh? So I'm here to share my ice cream recipe with you guys. Yes. I'm gonna be making a rum and raisin ice cream my way. Yes. Not for me to send with Vanilla to her house for her kids. Yes. I made some and they loved it. So I'm here to share my recipe with you guys.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Yes, I have. It's only 5 ingredients, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 ingredients. I'm gonna move the camera down and show you my rum and raisin. Yeah, me know how to feel about rum and raisin since the police officer. You understand? But another police officer rum and raisin.
This is a different rum and raisin,
yeah,
okay?
It's a chocolate rum and raisin.
Yeah.
Not the police officer rum and raisin. You understand?
Remember that.
Yeah. So, my good evening, Candice. Yes, Valerie.
Candy.
Yes, how you doing? Jeanette. How you doing? Jackie Gross. Marie Stewart. How you doing? Yes. So I want to share my rum and raisin recipe with you guys. Sandra Spencer. Good evening. How you doing? Yes, it's been a minute, but I'm here. God is good all the time. God is good. Chocolate rum and raisin.
That's right, Nation. Tell them again. One more time.
You know, hear what me say? Me say a chocolate rum and raisin this, not the police officer one, alright? The one you are the good, nice, clean one. You understand? The one that don't need no shaving. So I'm going to wash my hands. And then I'm going to show you guys. Good evening, Miss Princess, Woman International. How y'all doing? Oh, yes, I have to give my little review on the award. I didn't get to see a lot of it. Just little, because I wasn't home.
We weren't home.
Right, so I just caught like bits and pieces from Rose and from Miss Lothian. Yeah.
And Your Majesty.
Oh, I didn't see Your Majesty.
Oh, I did. I caught a little bit from his.
Okay, I didn't see Your Majesty. I saw Rose's and I saw Miss Lothian's. But let me wash my hand. Yeah, and show on all of this. And while me do it, me giving them a review on it. Yeah. Yes, ma.
Diane, good evening.
Yeah.
Patricia Lamont, good evening. Laurel Guy Gibson, good evening to
Big
you.
up on yourself, big up on yourself.
Big up to all. Again, happy Wednesday to everybody. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Yes, big up on yourself, yes. So, Chevy Edwards, big up yourself. All right, as you guys know, every year we have like a little back to school giveaway.
Yes, we do.
Yes, and this year is no exception. We're gonna do our little back to school giveaway for, you know, parents who's struggling with sending their kids back to school. We try to do a little something to help out. So we're planning on doing that. And in the midst of that, we're gonna be doing the giveaway for the GPS trackers.
Yes, we will.
For kids.
Yep.
We want to eliminate some of the shipping. So we want to combine it together and do it at that time. We usually do it in August, like the second week of August to the middle of August.
Second to third week of
August. Week of August. Yes. That's when we usually do our little back to school giveaway. Last year we did money and stuff. Yeah, we did money to help with school supplies and stuff. And this year we're gonna be doing that as well. Too. We did tablets one year. So yeah, we're working on that. But we will be doing our back to school giveaway. How y'all doing? Awesome.
Jackie says she wants some of your ice cream.
Yes.
She said
so, and I haven't forgotten about the bras.
No.
My queens. Whatever I promise on this platform, I always follow through. It might take me a minute, but I always follow through. So, I haven't forgotten the bras. Remember, we did the underwear giveaways. So we're coming with the bras. The only issues I'm having with the bras, though, I don't know, like, which cup size.
What's the best cup
What's the best cup sizes are.
The most popular.
The most popular cup sizes, because I want to do this for ladies who are struggling to find the right size bra. You understand? So I asked my queens, if you want to participate in this, go ahead and measure your boob. Get a tape measure and measure like the fattest part of your boob. Right? Yes, right there. So, and I need some help in telling me like what the most popular cup size, the cup size that you guys are struggling in finding nice sexy bras in, right? Yes. So I'm gonna get a variety, but I want to get.
We want to make sure we're getting something that's going to be utilized.
Yeah.
So we have 42 double D and 38 double D.
Okay, so double D's.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the stars, Pamela. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, we appreciate it. Yes, so help me. It seemed like D cups are a problem. Double D's, all right.
Anything else?
Yeah, anything else, because we go through the comments for stuff like this after we get off live. Yep. So this is very helpful to us. We're gonna be ordering the bras, but we're having issues with determining which cup size is the most popular one for us to go after. Right?
And it seems like double D is very popular.
Oh, double D.
Just different cup sizes, but double D.
Okay, yeah. So we all right. Well, that gives me an idea.
See, we've had like 4 comments with that double D.
Yes, we have given away. We've done the underwear, and who knows what we will do in terms of underwears again, because we found some amazing.
Oh, triple D.
Yeah, triple D's. Okay. All right, Rose Reynolds, how are you? June, how are you doing? Yes. So, yes, for all the people who have just joined us, we're talking about our back to school giveaway. We usually have a back to school giveaway during August just to help out as much as we can with parents who are struggling, whether it be school supplies or tuition. Is that what's the word to Americanize? School fee.
School fee. Yeah. When you said tuition, I was like, okay, that's what they call it up here.
Yes,
I wouldn't say anything else. I would be like, yeah, that's it.
School fees, yes. So we try to help out on our platform.
For the stars.
Thank you so much as possible. We did, so we said that we're going to wait until our back to school giveaway to do the GPS tracking devices giveaway as well, because we want to cut down on shipping. Believe me, we ship a lot.
Yes.
So, yes, and it can be expensive. You understand? So,
very true.
yes, so we're trying to wait until we do the back to school giveaway, then we will do the GPS tracking thing, because I want to do some supplies as well. Even if we're going to give money away, I want to do some supplies.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, we do the Caribbean. Yes.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Yes.
That's
very much.
Very, very much. A lot. Yeah. So, yeah, we have those in the works, as well as we're going to be supplying some of our queens with bras. Yes. We did the underwear giveaway already.
Couple
months ago. So we promised that we would do a bra giveaway. So we're working on those. We just needed some help in determining the cup sizes, so we can go for the popular ones that are difficult with some of our queens to get their sizes in. All right. So that's what we're working on, Glacia. Yes, but we're also out here tonight to share my my ice cream recipe with you guys. I'm doing rum and raisin ice cream.
Clean version of rum and raisin.
The clean version of rum and raisin. And I also have something that I want to show to you guys.
Yes,
at the end of
we have a show and tell.
We have a show and tell for you
so
tonight.
Stay tuned.
So stick around. Yes.
You don't want to miss it.
You don't want to miss it.
No.
Yeah. So it's only 5 ingredients, my kings and my queens. All right. So they're going to need to see down here, Vanilla.
That's what I'm getting.
Okay.
Let me, I'm thinking maybe I need to get the thing to hold it.
No, you can just lower it.
I'm going to lower it.
Yes. So I have my bowl right here, right? And I have a bottle of heavy whipping cream, right? So I'm going to open my bottle of heavy whipping cream. Yes, and I'm doing a small amount. Okay, you know how we stay when I measure nothing, so I'm gonna just guess like me, all right? Yeah. And I'm gonna use my hand mixer. You can use a whisk.
Yes.
If you don't have a mixer, all right? So I'm gonna use my whip.
I'm taking mental notes, you know, chocolate.
Yeah, me that like for you bring back my Tupperware. Then when you go over your yard, bring stuff.
I will.
When you bring stuff over your yard, you never return my Tupperware them.
Well, I return them. Other people that you give to in my house don't return them.
Yeah, me I gonna need my Tupperware them. And all the time you return them always come back empty. Why they can't come back full like when them left my house? Me not understand. All right, so now I'm gonna whip this. Wanna can see? Bring it down a little bit more for me, Vanilla. So when you whip it, you wanna make sure it gets fluffy. Just whip it until it gets fluffy. Wanna have anybody like that to come on the yard and take one of Tupperware them and bring them back? Yeah? Me have people like that come on my yard all the time. When I know myself if you not watch me, bring back me damn Tupperware them. Yeah. Yeah.
If they give to make some grape, they want grape nut.
You know what? Me don't know no grape nut recipe, me only know the one here. I want to know me a share. So you want to whip it until it gets fluffy. It's starting to get fluffy already. Maybe you're going to need to take it on and show them in it because I think I can see more than today the texture that it's supposed to get. Alright, you see me? Now but I put the camera up on my gut. You understand?
Not showing the bowl.
Okay, you can put it up on my gut. My gut for that. Yes, so me don't so cool and learn to make this, people. And me always have things to myself of why me need a ball on Sunday when Fudgy passed through lane and then refuse to buy my ice cream. You understand? Yeah. I remember when I took a picnic, JK Walker, big up yourself. Yeah, when Fudgy used to pass on Sunday.
Ice cream. We're making ice cream.
We're making ice cream. Rum and raisin. Yeah, I like it fluffy. Some people would stop whipping by now, but I like it extra fluffy. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Yeah.
See?
So, yeah, I need to mix it just a little bit more. It's not fluffy enough for me, yeah. Oh, it's the same process, just add grape nuts? Okay. Alright. Alright, but they're telling me some use the ball for ice cream on Sunday when fuzzy, when we hear it on. Yeah. And fuzzy will come through.
Here comes fuzzy.
Yeah, and we're not buying no ice cream. I keep all in one, you know. Yeah. Alright, you see how fluffy it is now? Let me stop this. Look at that. See? When it stay on the mixer like that. See? Oh, let me show you. Like that. Nice and fluffy. So, this is optional, but I found this to work really well. I use like 2 spoons of powdered sugar, right? And this is the sugar they use for icing. So, I'm gonna have 2.
Also known as confectioner sugar here.
Confectioner sugar. Oh no, I love ice cream, you scream, we all scream ice cream. Yeah.
What they come?
Me literally used to scream, okay, for my ice cream. And whether I scream or not, me not get it.
All right.
All right, so
Make sure
1,
you put it in there.
2. Put 2 spoonfuls of that powdered sugar. Yes. And I'm just going to mix that in a little. Yeah. Talking vanilla BFF'S. You teasing me tonight, you're doing that. Oh, I didn't mean to, Latoya. I did not mean to. I'm just sharing my recipe with you guys. So that way you can make it on a pig and then have the bar like me. When fudgy, when my parents have the money to buy me ice cream, I use the bar. It's coming like a long time in crazy. So I want to call myself crazy. But that's how we see when I buy this stuff together. Crazy.
Yeah. I guess I was craving on some things too. So.
Look at that. Nice. See that? That's what the sugar does to it. Make it fluffier. Right? So now I'm gonna add to it some condensed milk. Right? Yes. So I'm gonna use my can opener. I should have just juke it with a knife. And I'm gonna use the can opener.
Right.
Yeah.
Yard style.
I just blow you out from one side.
Yes, yard style.
Yeah, that we should have done now.
Too late now.
Too late. Yeah, man. Bump up more a hole in there. Wait, you can't open. See me there? Oh, yeah, open it. Yeah. Just juke 2 hole and blow in it. You see, plan?
Alright.
So now, adding milk, it's all to your taste, okay? I don't want it too sweet. So I'm not going to add all the milk to it. Some people like it super sweet. I don't. Well, enough for me, I make it from. I forgot. Say, you're picking them. Yeah, may I add a little bit more.
All right.
Yeah, them love is sweet. All right. So I did about like 3/4 of the milk. Yeah. And I'm just going to whip it in.
Whip it more. Okay.
I whip in everything one by one. Yeah.
So it's stages. You have to do it in stages. Okay.
Yeah. So you mix it in. Mix it, baby, whip it in. Nice and good. You want all the milk, the milk to be even in it. Yeah. All right, that's good enough. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. I do like maybe just a cork full of vanilla. Yeah. Yeah. A little vanilla.
Alright, see it there?
Yeah, and I'm gonna mix it in. Good. Everything needs to be evenly distributed. nice and fluffy. You want to keep it. Good night, Desna. How you doing?
Good evening, good evening.
Nation, are you went somewhere? You bought your box? You go somewhere? You left one go somewhere? You didn't left out of the yard?
You did get permission?
You left out of the yard, Nation. Alright, so that's mixed in enough.
Alright.
And don't say it's going to be a lot of mixing. No, it's not. If you don't have a mixer, use a whisk. And whisk it in. If you're going to get the same result. If you use a whisk,
nice and thick.
If you use a whisk, you get the same result. It's just that, you know, it's manual.
Right.
But don't feel like so you have to have a unmixer. Okay? Same result. So now I'm gonna I've been soaking these for about 2 weeks now. But you don't have to, because the raisin is super strong. Like when you bite in there, you gotta taste the rum. But if you don't want to taste the rum and get that nice little kick,
right, you
can just pour a little. Don't soak it that long. You understand? Yeah. So here are my raisin. I'm gonna, you smell the rum? Jesus,
yes.
God. I'm gonna add a little raisin with rum. I'm sure I dump all that now. I don't want junk off your picking it up. They're all over 21, though?
No.
No. Well, it's just ice cream. Come on now. Hello. Yeah, and we're just going to whisk it in. Oh my God, guys, you have to smell this. Oh, this is so nice. And you don't need to know what it's called whisking with the raisin. As long as you just get it all evenly distributed out throughout the ice cream. And that's it, guys. Let me taste it for just for perfect.
It's good?
Perfect. I mean, you just eject. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a plastic container.
Okay.
And it goes in the freezer. And I'm gonna show you the one that I already made. I'm gonna pull it from the freezer and show you the one that I already made. So all you do is just scoop it in your plastic container, lay it out.
You see how it got its thickness already? Wow.
Yeah. It's been got in its thickness, vanilla. Lord Jesus. Yeah.
No, but I'm saying before it even goes in the freezer, look how thick it is.
It has to be, it's ice cream.
Yeah.
It's the same damn way they do it to sell it to people. Yeah. Yeah. All it's gonna do is set nicely. You put it in the freezer.
Yeah.
And there you go. Your rum and raisin ice cream. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and you're going to have a nice little thing of ice cream right here for the kids. It tastes so good. You want to taste a little bit off of that? Yeah, taste it.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Woo!
Rum and raisin.
That tastes good.
Yeah. And then this goes in the freezer. Don't forget it before you
No. You want me to put it back up?
Put it back.
Put back.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm going to show them the one that I made.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to take it out. You know me already.
Yeah, I know. You have to pick up before you do it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry, guys. It's just a habit. All right. So I'm going to put this in the freezer. And I'm going to pull out the one that I made a few days ago. Yeah, here's the one that I made. See, somebody can scoop out some already from there. But here it is. Ice cream. See?
Look at that.
Your ice cream. Yeah?
Nice.
Nice. Yeah. Nice ice cream. We scream, we all scream for what? Ice cream.
Ice cream.
And that's it.
Look at that beautiful rum and raisin ice cream.
And if you want to be fancy, Like a pansy.
Yes, quick, easy, and fast. Absolutely.
Quick, easy, and fast.
And you save yourself money.
Right. Right. And if you have your chocolate, you could just sprinkle it all over it. But I'm just gonna be fancy a little bit.
Oh, let me say, tell you if I put a cherry on top, and that's exactly what she's doing. There you go.
You do.
There's a cherry on top.
There's a cherry on top. Yes. Cherry on top. Yes.
Look at that.
Look at that beauty.
Forte.
Right. So that's it. You can put it up back.
All right.
Yeah. And there you go. There you have it.
All right.
Feeling like it's in your mouth. Why am I not seeing or hearing anything? I'm not sure. It's probably something with your phone, Pachetta. Yeah. Jennifer Gooden, how are you? Yeah, see? Ice cream.
Pretty.
With cherry on it, right? And this is yours, vanilla. Cheers. I don't want no ice cream.
You don't want no ice cream?
Not now.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's it. See? Simple. Simple. That way enough to make a picnic ball like me when I couldn't get ice cream. You understand? I'm all about the kids, looking out for them. When a mother them know how to make it now, children. Yeah. Yeah, just ask them. So, like I said, I was watching the awards, just little bits and pieces of the awards. And I must say, everybody looks so beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yes. Miss Lothian, you came out. Yes. Rose.
Rose, yes.
Yes, Rose.
Beautiful dress.
Beautiful dress, Rose. The dress that just sit down on your like a body. Yes, man. Nana Lynn. Twirl for me, darling. Twirl for me. Take a bow, queen. Take a bow. Take a bow. Yes. And Latoya. Everybody looked it so nice. And it looked like an after party turn up.
They were having fun.
Yes, Miss Princess, you look gorgeous in your it was orange, I think. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. You did an awesome job, Miss Princess. Just like I expected. My brother them sharpie locks, sharp like a razor. Yes, Lord, bring it in, go, and me never get to see him, Lord.
Let me turn up.
Why bring it never did show up last year? Bring it go one time and know something now go. And I know Master Baker they don't did it. Missy bring it. Missy bring it. Yes. Yes, Nana Lynn, everybody looked really nice. Yes. And it looked like it was a blast. And Latoya's husband, boy, him have some moves there. Lord. Yes, sir. Him dance down the place. Yes, man. It looked festive. Yes. I was so happy that it turned out so nice. Because I know you had some people that thought it was going to flop. And I didn't. I knew it was going to be awesome. Yes. So.
Glad everybody had a great time.
And I'm glad everybody had a great time.
Yes.
And next.
Sorry we couldn't make it.
Yeah, next year we dip on it. How we head top. Yes. We'll make sure plan for it from the beginning of the year that we will not get nothing from our schedule. And we did it. Yes.
We're blocking.
Yes. Yes, it was awesome. Yes, everybody was looking absolutely gorgeous. And Miss Lothian, our girls, them just stand up and I say, hello, how you doing?
And say, good morning.
Good morning. I'm here. Hello. She coming out the blue dress. We say, look at our girls. Them, they be like, hello, honey. I'm here.
Hey.
I have arrived.
I come to party.
I have arrived. Let me tell you. Yes. Awesome. It was.
Hey, Michelle. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes, her husband was a blast.
Yeah, man. Him full of vibes, man. Him full of vibes. And there are some you like to go. an event and people just loosen up and have a good time, you know?
So good, Tiana, you put on weight. It's alright.
What?
She said, I look like I put on weight.
Oh, you look like you put on weight? Hey, camera! She don't put on no weight. Yeah, I damn camera. Yeah. Look how my face look fat on the camera, please. Yeah, I the damn camera. She don't put on no weight. Vanilla Lily bit same way. Yeah.
Yeah, she is beautiful.
Yeah, man, chef look good. Yeah, look yeah, look there. I damn camera, look there. Please. Yeah. Oh yeah, Vanilla Lily.
Ooh, let me tell you.
Vanilla Lily bit said we. Now make you fool you. Come up in my camera and look thick.
Or the ice cream that make me look fat.
Vanilla now gain an ounce. Remember me tell you that. Yeah, they need to tell you all who meet we in real life. Vanilla Lily.
Let me tell you.
And my face not so fat either. I mean not so big. No. When you see me in real.
Yes, Marie, you're right. The ladies did look gorgeous and Chris and Cousin did. Them turn up.
Yeah man, everybody turn up. It was beautiful. I was so happy. Yes, I was there rocking when they dancing the music. I was rocking with them like yes man.
After party.
It was nice. From what I've seen, it's really nice. And Miss Princess, I'm so proud of you. Very proud of you. And oh, you pulled it off. It was elegant. Yes, elegant. Yeah, loved it.
Oh, thank you, JK.
What?
For giving the ingredients. They were asking for the ingredients.
Oh, you
Sorry,
want...
Kathy, we weren't ignoring you.
Oh, we weren't ignoring you. We're just a chatterbox on the company. Yes. So, guys, we want to introduce something to you all tonight. Yes? Allow Vanilla and I to introduce. You want to get it,
yes.
Vanilla?
Yes, I will.
Let me get this cleaned off. Put it over here. And keep in mind, we just, yes, big her up, man. Big up Miss Princess. Yeah, man, big her up. You remind me of Sammy Davis? Yeah, I could see that. Hey, guys, it's been a while. How you doing? We're doing well, Peter Gay. How are you? How you doing? Yeah? So remember the night when we had our platform award? Someone won one of our bonnets. It has been completed. So this is the chocolate and vanilla bonnet. This is the outside of it. And this is the inside of it. It can be worn on both sides.
It's reversible.
It's reversible. See, you have the C&V BFF. Now these...
And it looks backwards on the camera.
And it looks backward, right. It looks backward on the camera, but it's not. You can wear these on both sides. Yes. This is the chocolate and vanilla bonnet. And these are our logos all over it on the outside. These are very nice. Yes, we've already been selling these out behind the scenes. So if you would like to support us and get one of these bonnets, please WhatsApp us and we will tell you how to go about getting one of these. All right? Yes. It's the chocolate and vanilla bonnet. So let me put it on. And it can be worn on either side. Like I said, there is the big C&V BFF. Yes. Yes. So we have a limited amount of these. Thank you all so much. Yes. Let me put it on. I can see myself. Yes. I'm just going to put it on this with not even put my hair up in it. Just to give you an idea. Trying to.
There you go.
Thank you. and then you bring it around and you tie it. You can make a bow. It's weird looking in the camera doing it. It
is.
Yeah.
But it's because you don't have your hair in there, so.
Right, my ear not up in
right.
there. Yes, but you would tie it in a bow, you know.
Hey, observant.
Yeah, tie it in a bow.
Reach out to us on WhatsApp.
Reach out to us on WhatsApp. They're super. Well, we have limited amount. Don't forget that. They're going fast before we even come on live with them, because the night of the award, people started sending us requests for them. So, yes. Show it to you again. You can wear it on either side. This is our logo, and it has the little seat. You can't really see it on the camera, but it has the little C and V inside here and the BFF underneath. Now this side has the bigger logo, the C and V BFF on here. And they're very nice. They're silk, and the quality is amazing.
Quality is very good.
Amazing.
Yes.
Yes. So.
Yes, it's one size.
It's one size, yes. But if you have braid or you have a lot of hair, I wish I could put it on right and show them. You can fit it in there. Yeah? So, yeah.
I'm going to put the WhatsApp, the number to send the WhatsApp message to. I'm going to put it back in there.
Yeah, that's the WhatsApp.
That's the number you need to contact.
Yeah, the tags will drop off on it. Yes, so... Yeah,
I sent the WhatsApp information.
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. Someone ordered one, and then she's like, "Can I get one more?" Somebody, "Can I get one more?" Oh my God, these are. The camera doesn't do it any justice. So they're beautiful, and thank you all so much for everyone who have supported us already in buying these bonnets. We appreciate it. And
thank you so much, yes.
Yes, and everyone who's interested in supporting us, thank you in advance. We appreciate it.
Yes, we do.
All right? Thank you all so very much. So, you're in Jamaica, reach out to me, because we're going to be sending, if you're in Jamaica, we can have, when we, I don't know for this order that we have, if it will last for Jamaica. But if you are interested, reach out to us, and when we place another order, we can have you on the list for Jamaica. All right? So, that's how we'll do it, because they're going super fast. Yes? Thank you guys so much. Very interested in it, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Marie Stewart. Thank you, Althea Barrett. Thank you. Reach out to us on WhatsApp, and we will tell you how to go. We'll give you the information, all right? The number is pinned at the bottom.
Hold on, let me put it back in there and not pin
it. Vanilla is about to pin the number, but it's that number that everybody calls on Sundays or whenever we give away credits. It's on our page. Vanilla is about to pin it again to the comment. Yes. When you reach out to us, we'll give you the cost and how much it costs is to ship. It's not a lot. So we'll tell you when you reach out to us, all right? Thank you guys so much for rolling in here tonight to see us. We appreciate you.
Thank you for hanging out with us tonight.
Yes, we will be back over the weekend, all right?
Yes, we will.
So, I hope you enjoy our little ice cream making session.
That ice cream was very good.
Yes.
Very proud of you. Yes.
Thank you. You learned something?
I did.
You know if you make it now? Come in now, go take care, come over here, come bother me if you make rum and raisin. You understand? Me is not no ice cream, woman. On the Observant TV, how are you, Queen? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey, Sandy.
Sandy, thank you so much. I love it. It's beautiful.
You,
thank you, Gian. We try to do some things that are unique and stuff that we would love.
Okay, so Diane wants to see it because she said she had to come on.
Oh, you want to see it? Oh, sure. Yeah.
She said she missed it.
Yeah. I always think about myself when I do stuff. what I would love, what I want to spend my money on, and try to give people quality stuff. Yeah, so it's quality. Everybody that orders, we could try to limit them.
Here's the bonnet with a C and V and BFF.
Yeah, that's one side of it. That's one side.
It is it's a two-sided bonnet.
So it's like getting two bonnets in one.
Yes. It's true.
You can wear it on either side.
Whichever you choose. And this is the smaller of what you just saw.
Yeah.
With the C and V and the BFF underneath. You just can't see it right now on the live.
Yeah, it's the camera's fault. You can see it, but it's the camera.
Yeah, you can see it. It's the camera.
Yeah. If you move it up close, you'll see the C and V inside, and then the BFF underneath. Yeah,
you can see that there's something there.
Yeah, and this is the other side. So you can wear it on either side. The C and V BFF.
Yes.
Yes. And it gives you two different looks, because when you tie the band around it, you can have this part showing right there. Yep. And when you wear it on this side, you can have this part of the belt showing. Yeah. Of the tie. And you tie the bow right here. Do it however you please. Just rock the hell out.
Thank you, Rose. Right? Thank you
because
so much.
I sure as hell gonna rock the hell out of one of them. You hear me? Yeah. You hear? Yes. Yes. It's very nice. Yeah, both sides are nice. Yes. I would like some of that ice cream. Well, come get in, man. You don't know what I live by now. Look how much time I come by you. You know mark what I live, huh? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Diane. Thank you, the Observer TV. Thank you. Jackie Girls. Enough love. Yeah, so we're off of here. Catch you guys over the weekend. All right, we'll come back with like a festive self. Yeah, man. Right. We're going to turn it up. All right?
Turn it up.
On the weekend. Big up on yourself.
Big up yourself.
Love you guys as always. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Not even if you try. All right? Not even if you try. You just can't do anything about it. You just got to love it. Just got to embrace it.
Thank you, Michelle. It's unusual.
It is. We tried to do things that are different. Yes. Jennifer Gooden, good night. Barbara White, good night. Gillette David, good night.
I couldn't help it, Jackie. But try for asking somebody. You say you didn't want to. You left. You left.
You're craving.
I'm craving, yes.
You're craving. And that's why them bleach out the chocolate over the planka shop and turn it in a vanilla. On an ear. So them bleach out the chocolate over there. When then give to Miss Richie and turn it in a vanilla. Who did over there for witness that? Good night.
Craving.
Good night,
y'all. Love you guys. Have a blessed night.
See ya.